Hello again. I'm going to try to fix this B17 titanium that's been stretched too much. I bought this second hand. You can see this is how the tension bolt was, just almost at the end. This piece is at the end of the nose piece. You really can't stretch it anymore, but also one of the rivets tore through the leather. Here it was okay, at the front it was okay. You can see the holes here in the leather are quite stretched. Instead of circular, they are now elongated. And what I'm going to do is clean this, drill out the last rivets, because I already drilled out two of them. I'm going to put in these inner hex bolts with the ball head. A friend of mine has done that with the B17 standard, and I rode with it and I didn't feel the bolts at all, so I think it's a good idea to try this. What I'm going to do is drill out the last rivets, then move this about 2 centimeters, drill new holes through the leather, put in the bolts, and then see how well it will hold up. I will also fix the saddle shape a bit, because it's been deformed from stretching and yeah, especially stretching, so I'm going to make it wet, put it back into shape a bit like this. That's already quite a lot better. I think I can repair it, and then I will see how much it will stretch after moving the nose piece, and see how much it will stretch from then on. So if stretched leather stretches faster or not, it'll be interesting to see that. And if it doesn't hold up at all, then I will probably use this titanium frame on a standard B17 that I have. So next video I will show you how I fixed this, and hopefully also that I fixed the shape of the leather. It's pretty soft, by the way. I'm not sure, perhaps the previous owner used something to soften the leather, which is really not something you should do, but I will see. Yeah, that's it for now. See you in the next video.